Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 2 and number 4 we have number 8. Next, this one we can put into s to the power of 3 minus s plus 1 to the power of negative number 8, because we want to put this one on numerator. So to do about this one, we need to have the negative sign next to the power. Next, we have the formula in here. If we do first derivative of this one, we have a to the power of n minus 1, and n we put in here. Later that, we do first derivative of a inside in here. Now, we can apply the formula in here. So, negative a, that's about n. So we got n in here. 8, that is about this one, to the power of negative a minus 1. And later that we do first derivative of this one in here. This one we have negative number 9. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we can apply the formula in here, and we have 3s squared. First derivative of s, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here, so we can simplify like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.